Hi, I'm Sharon from Spanish Town Heritage Foundation, and today we're going to make maracas using plastic spoons, a plastic Easter egg, white electrical tape, and some beads for the rattle inside the egg. Before you begin, I like to do all of the handles on the egg for the maraca eggs first, just so that it's kind of a step to get it out of the way. You begin by taking the 2 spoons, wrapping the tape around it. Now I cut the tape about 20 to 22 inches long. As soon as I get it started, I slip in an egg just so that I know I have the tension on the 2 handles and that it will be easier later for the children to slip the egg in. So you wrap it around like you would a tennis racket, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. So when you have those 2 steps done, then you can go on and you can add, the children can actually decorate the egg. I like to use Sharpie pens, and an assortment of other decorations. So you can use stickers, you can use washi tape, you can use, these are little adhesive strips of sparkles, and I'll show you a variety of the eggs that we've made. So this one is great for holidays, and it uses this type of a tape. This is good for smaller children, just use the stickers and a little bit of tape around the middle just for accent. And then if the children are older, they can use the permanent markers, the Sharpies, and actually create a drawing. So I have made a little cactus, and then this is a little adobe with a chili rista hanging from the front porch. And again, just a real simple egg using some stickers. So I did think of, if you're having very small children, perhaps you could just coat the top of the egg with white glue and dip it in confetti and then slip it into the holder. So there you have it. Hope you enjoy it and have lots of fun with the kids doing this.